Hello students, today we'll learn a lesson on articles. So let's begin. The words a, an and the are called articles. They come before nouns. Now what are articles? Articles belong to a group of words called determiners. And determiner is a word used before a noun. Following are the kinds of determiners such as articles, possessive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, distributive adjectives, quantifiers or adjectives of quantity. In this chapter, we will learn about articles. Articles are of two kinds, indefinite and second definite. The articles a and an, these are indefinite articles. They do not refer to any particular person or thing. Let's see the example. I saw a boy in the playground. So it can be any boy, not any particular or definite boy. Next example. He said he would have an orange. It can be any orange, not any definite or particular orange. Article the is a definite article because it is used to refer to a particular or definite person or thing. Let's see the following examples. The monitor went to call the teacher. Before noun monitor, article the is used because monitor is particular person, as we have only one monitor in one class and in the same way one class teacher. So both monitor and teacher are the definite persons, particular persons. That's why definite article the is used both for monitor and teacher. Next example, the sun rises in the east. Both sun and east, they are the particular nouns, definite objects. That's why the definite article the is used here. Students, now we will learn the use of indefinite articles a and an. As we know, there are 26 letters in English alphabet family. Letters A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, and all letters other than vowels are called consonants. Article a or an is used before singular countable noun. Singular means one and countable means the nouns which we can count. For example, books, pens, eggs, bags, boys, animals, etc. We can count all these nouns. But if we say water, sugar, paint, we can't count these nouns. So these are uncountable nouns. Let's see the examples. A hen. Hen is singular, so A is used. Laid an egg. Egg is also singular, an is used. In the same way, an elephant killed a girl. So girl and elephant both are singular countable nouns. Article A is used before a word which begins with a consonant sound, as a dog, a pen, a boy, a file, a computer, a house, a fan, a year. It is also used with the words beginning with U sound, as a U, a university, a unit, a union, a European, a uniform, a eulogy, a useful thing. So although these words are beginning with vowels, yet the sound is U, not U. That's why article A is used here. It is also used with words beginning with V sound, as a 1 rupee coin, a one-legged man. So here also words beginning with vowels O, but the sound is V, not that of O. So it is clear that article A is used before the words beginning with consonant sounds. Next is the use of an. Article an is used before the words beginning with vowel sounds. These sounds are a, e, I, o, u. Let's see the examples. An ox, an ear, an elephant, an eye, an owl, an umbrella, an inkpot, an armchair, an army, an idiot. So all these words have vowel sound in their beginning. This article is also used before nouns that begin with a consonant but have a vowel sound as an MA, an MP, an hour, an air. Next is the use of definite article. The definite article the is used when we talk about a particular person or thing or one already referred to about whom we have already talked. Here is an example. Let's go to the library. The is used before library. The library that is in the school. One library. Next, when a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class, as the dog is a faithful animal. The is used before dog because here dog is representing the whole class, not talking about one dog. All dogs are faithful, not one. Before some popular names of rivers as the Ganga, the Yamuna, and before the names of oceans as the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. The is used before the names of canals, the Suez Canal, the Panama Canal, before the names of deserts, the Sahara, the Thar Desert, before the name of the groups of islands, the West Indies. This is the group of islands, West Indies. Mountain ranges as the Himalayas, the Alps. Before the names of countries, which include words like republic and kingdom as the Irish Republic, the United Kingdom. Before names of certain books as the Bible, the Ramayana. Before names of things unique of their kind as the sun, the sea, these are unique things. With superlative degrees, very important point to be noted, the best book, the tallest building. With ordinals as the first man, the sixth chapter. Ordinals are the numbers as first, second, third, fourth. So before these numbers, ordinals, we use the. Before musical instruments as she can play the piano. So piano is musical instrument. Before all the musical instruments, we use the. Before an adjective when it is taken as noun as the rich. Rich is adjective but it is used as noun here. And then the poor. Poor is also adjective but taken as noun here. The rich should help the poor. Students, now we will know about that nouns before which we don't use any articles. The article is omitted before the proper nouns as names of cities, Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, Agra, Jaipur, names of countries, India, Nepal, Pakistan, China, Sri Lanka, etc. Names of people, Nehru, Ashoka, Akbar, Gandhi. Names of individual mountains, Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest. Names of streets, Mahatma Gandhi Road, Victoria Streets. Names of the days of week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Names of the months of the year, January, February, March, April. So all these are the proper nouns before which we don't use any article. Before the uncountable nouns also we don't use any article. Gold is a precious metal. So gold is uncountable noun. We can't say the gold. Plural countable nouns. Children like sweets. So children is plural countable noun. We don't use the here or a or any other article. Languages. We are studying French. French is a language, so we don't use any article before that. Before the names of meals, whether it is dinner, lunch, etc., we don't use any article. Dinner is ready. Names of relations, father, mother, etc. My father we can say, but we don't use any article. The father or the mother, it will be wrong. Now students, focus on this point. Always remember repetition of the article. If we say I have a black and white shirt, it means I have a shirt which is partly black and partly white, one shirt. But if we say I have a black and a white shirt, it means we have two shirts of different colors. So students, this is all about articles. I hope you understood each and every point that we learned today. So thanks for watching and bye for now.